Alright, we got this Amana Air Command 80 unit is not blowing on the AC, so we're going to tear into it and find out exactly what's wrong. We got a couple of screws here in the front that I'm going to take off first. You want to keep track of these. You obviously don't want to lose them. Then this door comes off here. There's two more. Now this one, they do have a couple clips on here that are supposed to keep that door on there, but one's missing and that one's not working. But just in case you're running those clips, you'll know what they are. So this is the inside of the unit here. Let's take that blower out to get to the motor. Got those two little screws down there. You can slide it back out towards you. First thing you can check for is make sure that it freely spins, doesn't lock up, and there isn't any play. You can see your ground here. Okay, so this little deal down here holds that motor in. It's 7/16. Undo that. You don't need to undo those. It's got this little set screw in here. You gotta loosen. Use this crescent wrench. Just watching a video saying you might need a puller for this, so we'll see how it goes. There you can see how the motor comes out. Alright, you're going to look for your model number, motor unit. Mine's right there. Get you a new one. Oh. You can go ahead and So we've got a new motor. And with that came a new capacitor. Make sure you match those correctly. This one came with it. Now put it back in that son of a bitch. And then fix the wires. Now you should be able to, I want to make a little point here. This is an aftermarket motor, so you'll want to find your diagram, which on this one is actually right here. And if you're going from a 4-speed to a 3-speed like I am, you can count that medium low orange one pretty much off. Just cap it off and just use your high and low and medium. So you won't need those, because you'll end up having one extra. You can see we got our one extra here. Then we don't need that one. But first, remount your new motor back in there, and then put your blower back in, and then you can hook your wires and your capacitor back up. Okay, drop that back down in there. We're gonna hook up our ground, and then tighten that motor down. Make sure your bracket's tight. Tighten that belt band down, and then tighten that motor mount on the other side first, but I'll show you, and then put it back. Try to center this so it's not to one side or the other, all whack like that, before you tighten down that little nut, adjuster nut in there. That way it's not wobbly or anything like that. It's not really dirty, so make sure it spins freely. And then tighten that down. Add a little zip tie to these wires to this, keeps it out of the way of getting in there. Now you want to tighten that in there. That belt band. Remember to keep that lined up in the middle. Now don't forget to check to see if your unit has reversible speeds or not. That's what this purple and yellow, they already fixed at the store for me, so be sure to check that. Okay, so it's time to put this back together. Be sure to check your wiring diagram, just to be sure, because you should have your two brown ones coming off your new unit. It may be an aftermarket like mine was. These will be for your capacitor, and then you can match up all your other ones, your black and white to your black and white, and then your blue and red to your blue and red. Okay, so you can see we've got our wires jointed and capped off, and this is our extra here. I'm going to cap that off. So I can put our blower and our motor back in, hook up our capacitor, fire this sucker back up, and slide it back in the way you brought it out. Don't forget it. It has those little deals there. Alright. And then I want to make sure you zip tie these all together out of the way, and then put your two screws back on, and then hook up your capacitor. So I'll actually go ahead and hook up that capacitor first. Which here's our new one. Alright, got the door put back on. Turn the AC down. Time for the moment of truth. Oh, that's beautifully quiet. You didn't hear no more noise or nothing. Hell yeah. And that's how you put in a blower motor on a furnace AC unit. Hope you like and subscribe. Drop comments below.